Whiteboard is great on its own, but is even better when you integrate it with other applications and functions. For example, you and your students could be working in an application you love, but you wish to pause to explore an aspect in more detail. At any time, you can tap the pink toolbar button and tap Screen Capture. This captures the current screen and automatically adds it to a whiteboard canvas for you. You can manipulate this image as you would any other. Drag to move and pinch and zoom to resize or rotate. When finished, tap the pink toolbar button and then the back button to return to your application. Or you could use it with mirroring. Maybe you would like to use the whiteboard for peer assessment. Use the same process to screen capture any content a student is mirroring to your panel. Tap the pink toolbar button, then Screen Capture. Finally, what about being able to use the whiteboard along with a resource from your computer? Well, you can use the HDMI in application on your device to toggle over to your computer with one easy click. In this example, we have a fill-in-the-blank activity on a page within an ActivInspire flipchart. Use Screen Capture to take that existing resource and use it within Promethean Whiteboard. Remember, you can save your whiteboard sessions at any time.